Hello, 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 and welcome back to Adele's Lego. Woo, 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 I love Lego. I love Lego as much as I love M&M peanut butter. But I can't talk now. I've got my mouth full though. That's the problem. Right then, my lovelies. All right then. Lego. Now, I've just done the Legoland exclusives on the video beforehand and built up the magnets. They're now on my fridge. Next, I'm going to build up, there's 3 sets. I've already built, well, there's 4 sets. Yeah, I've already built one set up. I've built the policeman set up already. But there was 3 more to go with the policeman. I had to get them all. I had to get them all. I couldn't leave them all behind. I couldn't decide, basically. So we got the building toy, this one. This looks like a carnival set. This one does. Can you see it? So that's the carnival set. Then there is the beach body set. Then there is the astronaut set. Now, they're all pretty cool. They've all got 4 figures in and then like a little scenario. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the beach body set first. I'm going to do them on individual videos because I believe they need their own individuals. But I'm going to open a board up because I bought 3 boards. I did. Oh, let's say hello first. Hello! Hello, hello, hello! She's my Lego mascot. I bought 3 boards. I did. 3 monkeys, 3 boards. So I'm going to open a board up. And I'm going to stand figures on them. Because last time I built a set up, it just fell over. Now, the boards are, I think, far too expensive for what they are. Yes, they are £12 each. Now, in my mind, that's too expensive. You could get all that for £10. And yet the board was £12. And yet the board had sold out, but these hadn't. So yeah, I'm going to start, like I said, with the beach set first. Oh, it's an exclusive. You got a parrot. Oh, you got a parrot. Oh, we need to open the parrot. You got a parrot. You got a parrot. A parrot. A parrot. I'm repeating myself. But you got a parrot. So you get a, I think, what does she do? What does she do? She's a surfer. I thought she was. And then scuba diver. A lady wearing a nice swimming costume. And a gentleman having an ice lolly by the looks of it. Okay, so we're going to pop it open the best as we can because it doesn't seem fun to open. But the best thing about it is I'm keeping these. I'm going to keep these and I'm going to try and make things out of them as well. I'm going to do chocolates, or that's a big chocolate if we do chocolates, or jelly. Jelly, jelly, jelly. Yes, so we don't want this. We don't want this. So we'll put that over there. And that's basically what you get. But inside there is all of your fun goodness. Yes. So we're going to open it up. I enjoyed doing the policeman one, so there should be no reason why I wouldn't enjoy doing the beach body one. So I'm going to bring you down now. Down, 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 down. There we go. We're going to open up the littlest instructions in the world. Yep, so there are all your figures. And on the back is the little scenario that I've got to build. So we're going to do the parrot first, it says. So just spread them out. I do the parrot. So on that. Goldy one. Gold. There we go. Where's the parrot? I haven't seen the parrot yet. Oh my goodness. I'm keeping this parrot. That is my parrot. Hello, Mr. Parrot. He is amazing. He will go in my cabinet. He will. It's a parrot. It's a little parrot. I love it. So he can stand there. But as long as the monkeys know that he is mine, we'll be fine. Yes. Right. Looks like we're building the beach body babe. Beach body babe. Is that the right head for her? It looks like it. Who's got their eyes closed? Oh no. That might not be. I don't think that is the right head. I did this before with the policeman one. I think it's that head. And then she's got lovely blonde hair. Can you see the resemblance? Doo-doo. But then she's got an ice cream as well. So we're going to make an ice cream for her. they're just a good... I like these, I do. I do like these. I like the fact that you can build them yourselves as well. They did do Minecraft ones where they came ready built, which was good because the kids were little, but I like these because you can build them yourselves. So here's the Beachbody Babe. Right, Surfer Babe now. We want the Surfer Babe. She wears blue with black trousers and that head that I just had. There we go. Let's give her the winking side. And she's got long brown hair. Long brown hair. And a surfboard on her feet. Like so. Everybody surfing. Surfing USA. Now all the surfboard... No, it won't. But we can just stand her there, can't we? But the surfboard won't click in. No. Right. Beachbody Man. So he gets the face with the sunglasses on. And what is else? Black hair. And he gets an ice lolly. He does. A psychedelic ice lolly. Oh, I like that. Psychedelic. So he can stand there. Ta-da! So far, so good. One more figurine to build. Right, so this is the scuba diver man. He's a happy chappy. Is our scuba diver man. So put the glasses in the helmet. Or the goggles in the helmet, should I say. Slide them on. There's no wonder he's got a smile on his face, because you should see the gem that he's found. Should see the gem. Look at that. Oh, we're there. We nearly forgot. Or I nearly forgot something. He needs his fins to be able to go scuba diving. Now there's a lot of leftover ice creams here. I'm hoping I'm making an ice cream parlour. There you go. So again, he won't actually click in. So right, let's turn over and see what scenario I'm building. It might look like I'm building an ice cream cart actually. So that's good. Helps if I actually get the pieces put on. Yes, it does. It does. Everybody surfing. Surfing USA. Everybody surfing. Turn it over there. Oh, this is wheels. It's gonna be on wheels. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Turn it over. Right, so here comes the psychedelic ice creams that go in. Oh, I only get to fit one in. Why have I got 4 then? It only fits 1 in. I don't quite grasp that. But how come? Oh, I'm dropping. I'm a bit of a klutz. Oh, because the crab wants one. I'll show you in a minute. Bit of a random thing to say, but it makes sense when you're at the beach. It does. Parasol. Keep the ice creams cool. Too far down. There you go. Turn them that way. There's your ice cream truck. But, look, I have a crab. I think I'm going to give him 2 ice creams. He's a greedy crab. There we go. Crab with 2 ice creams. A crab with 2 ice creams. So he can sit there with the parrot. But yeah, there's my little ice cream truck. Stand there at the back. So how's that then? That is not bad. And you get a spare ice cream, a gem, and a flipper. Flipper. Yes. So there we go. There's the first set built. So the next set, I think I'm going to do the astronauts next. I do. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you give us a like, give me a subscribe, hit your notifications bell, and hopefully you'll get notified. Yes. Thank you for joining me. I love you all. It's not clicking. Might as well just press it.